What is up, Crockett fam? We are back with another video, and today we're gonna be showing you guys how to cook. What are we cooking?
Shrimp Alfredo.
Shrimp Alfredo. I'm gonna show you guys how to cook shrimp Alfredo. So stay tuned. We gotta go to the store first though, but stay tuned. Gas stop. Right. Yeah. Cause your boy all the way on E.
Whose fault is that?
Alrighty, so we got item number 1. The shrimp. To cook the shrimp Alfredo. That's very important. Very important. On to item number 2. Let's go. Here we go. We got item number 2. And Mel, that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Time to go home to show y'all how to cook this, so let's go. Alrighty guys, so here are the ingredients right here. We're gonna use some shrimp. Then we're gonna use some fettuccine. Fettuccine stringy thing. I don't even know what you call it. Noodles. Thank you. And then we're gonna use some Prego. Home style Alfredo. Ooh, that Prego home style Alfredo.
Okay.
And we're gonna, this is the kind we choose because it tastes really good. It's really good. If you guys haven't tried it, it tastes really good. You can use 1 if it's just you or 3 people, or you can use 2. 1 or 2.
2 is better.
I guess.
Because 1 is dry. If you use 1, it's dry.
So if you use 2,
it won't be dry.
So 1 is dry, 2 is wet. Okay. Alrighty, so let's get into cooking it. Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's the first thing you said that you do?
Put the shrimp in hot water.
Okay. I thought it was cold water, but hot water. Okay.
I put hot water.
You put hot water. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. We are also gonna put some chicken in it, just so it can have a little bit of extra meat. Not much, just a little bit. Right.
I'm gonna put this in hot water too.
Okay. All right, guys. So the next thing we're gonna do is boil the water for the Prego noodles. Prego Alfredo noodles. And she's putting salt in it. Why are you putting salt in it?
Because you always put salt in it.
Okay. And say, what temp would you tell them to put it on?
I always put it on 6 because it boils faster.
Okay. Put it on 6.
Alright, our water is boiling. See, it didn't take that long. Now we're just going to put the noodles in.
And how long?
Until they're...
Until they're what?
Until they're ready.
How long is that? What's your estimate?
10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes.
Hopefully they're ready in 10 minutes.
Alrighty. 10 minutes. Pause video. So make sure you guys please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, turn the notifications on so you can keep up with our content and know when we post new videos. Now back to the video, guys. Alright, so what you doing now?
I'm gonna cut the chicken. Cut some chicken.
Then she's gonna put it in the
pan.
Oh yeah, and don't forget you guys to rinse out your chicken and rinse out your shrimp. And if you don't like the tail of the shrimp, please cut the tail off. Right?
Yeah, which I'm about to do in a minute.
Alright, and then she's gonna put it in the pan. Alright, now you start with pouring a little oil in it as she just did. You're gonna swirl it all around. Swirl it all around. Okay. And you're gonna let it get hot. I'm right here.
Now we're gonna season the shrimp. And I like to use this, the Goya.
Which is really good. You guys should really try this. Really, really good. It tastes good. With Goya? How you say it?
Goya.
Goya? Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Goya.
Oh yeah.
I already seasoned the chicken, so we should be good.
Put the chicken in there, in the pan. Now, what do you recommend? Cooking it separately or cooking it together?
First, I will cook the chicken. Once the chicken is like really good, then I will add the shrimp.
The chicken, the chickens, the chicks.
Yeah.
You meant shrimp though. I was gonna let that cook.
Now I'm about to add the shrimps.
A little nasty shrimp.
But you like them though.
Chicken is almost fully cooked though. It's looking good, looking good. And now we're gonna let that cook. Alright, and make sure you guys stir your little noodles together so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot.
We're gonna try one.
And now she's gonna test one out if she can get it on the fork. You having a hard time there? Mm-hmm. Yep. How's it? Is it done? What you think?
It's done.
Noodles are done, you guys. Waiting on the else to be done.
Guess who's greedy?
I'm gonna drain the water out the noodles in a drainer, so you can just have the noodles by themselves. All right, we are still waiting on the meat to be done. It's almost there.
And I'm about to go heat up the Alfredo sauce and mix it all together.
How's it going over there?
You know, can you open this?
Of course.
I got this. I loosened it up for you.
There she goes, putting the Alfredo sauce in the pan.
You want to do the other one?
Now you can put your noodles in a little container like this, so you can have them all together. Well, so you can have something to serve it in, or you can use whatever kind of serving bowl, pan you want to use. I can't even talk. The meat is done. Sauce is looking cooked. Now what are you gonna do?
See if it's enough. If it's not, then we're gonna have to
use the second one.
use the second
Alrighty, mixing it together. We'll let you guys know if it's enough. Is it enough milk? What you thinking? What you thinking? What you thinking?
Might need to use the other one.
Okay, so we gotta use the other one. Right.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get it. Alright, now we're gonna add a little bit more to it because it wasn't enough.
You gotta scrape it all out. Make sure your pot is clean too.
I'm pretty sure it's clean. Look at it. Now mix it together. That's definitely more than enough now. Now it's all juicy.
The way I like it. Now to add the meats.
We have the meat.
Alright, let's go.
You gonna just pour the whole thing in there. There you go. Boom. And this is how it should look when you mix it all together. And we're gonna taste it for you guys. Alrighty guys, this is the final product. And I taste it to let you know how Melisa did. Or how we did with cooking it. You ready? We're gonna go for it. This is banging, y'all. This is so good. It's good. Oh my goodness. So we hope you guys get to try it. I'm ready to finish eating this because it's delicious.
Me too.
So make sure you guys share the link below to this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and please subscribe so you can keep
Chilling with the Crockett's.
Peace out, y'all.